Today I'm going to show you some two-handed flip combos using a reverse bound transition. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the 9th set of combos for two-handed flips, which use a reverse bound transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your 9th set of combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Now, a reverse bound transition is anytime you land a trick with 2 feet at the same time, make an adjustment, and then take off with leg 1 followed by leg 2 into another trick. The first combo is going to be a pop round off to a spin transformer. So you're going to do your pop round off and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to step around to your front side stance and to your transformer. The second combo is going to be a pop round off to a spin cartwheel. So you're going to do your pop round off and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around to a front side stance and throw your cartwheel. Third combo is going to be a slant spring to a spin transformer. So you're going to do your slant spring and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to step around to a front side stance and throw your transformer. The last combo is going to be a slant spring to a spin cartwheel. So you're going to do your slant spring and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to step around to your front side stance and throw your cartwheel. Now, when you do these combos, since we're only focusing on the transition, you can start with a spin in front of them, or you can end with a follow through or not. It's totally up to you. Here are a few tips that can help you out. Make sure that you're staying on your toes as much as possible when you're doing these combos or individual tricks. Remember to always keep your arms nice and firm, pushing through your shoulders rather than locking out your elbows. And always make sure that you're keeping your eyes open during these combos so you're aware of the move that you're doing as you're doing it. Also, if you want to get a little bit more practice with the reverse bound transition, you can go ahead and click on this tutorial right here and that'll help you out with that. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It really means a lot to me to have a group of you guys that are down to help move this curriculum forward. And if you would like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Next, we'll be getting into level 2.3, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.